What if kids could create their own video games in just a few minutes? Not just play them, but actually build them from scratch. That's what GameMaker makes possible. GameMaker is a beginner-friendly engine designed to make game development simple and fun. It's used by students and professionals to create real playable games. At the same time, it's far easier to get started with than engines like Unity or Unreal, which can often feel overwhelming for younger students. Unlike block-based tools like Scratch, GameMaker doesn't limit creativity. Students can build the exact kind of game they imagine, from platformers to shooters and beyond. Let's take a look at how easy it is to create a variable in GameMaker. We will give ourselves name Pac-Man. Now we'll decide how fast our Pac-Man will be moving. By adding this variable to his position, we'll make him move from left to right. Let's run our game. And just like that, our Pac-Man is moving from one side of the screen to the other. In this example, we'll make our Dino jump when we click on the mouse and when the Dino is standing on the ground. Here's our jumping momentum, and here's our jumping sound. Similarly to our Pac-Man, our cactus will also be moving from one side of the screen to the other. And just like that, we have the basics of a Google Dino game. GameMaker uses its custom language, which is very similar to JavaScript. Its simplicity can also remind you of Python. You can also see that all of the art assets we used in this project are made in GameMaker, which is an excellent addition for kids, since they can change the animations and the sprites themselves without leaving the application. Here are a few popular games made with GameMaker. And to summarize, here at Robolab, we teach kids how to become creators, not just players. They learn how to think, design, and solve problems while building their own games. Not by simply following complicated instructions and tutorials, but actually by solving problems and understanding the code they're writing. GameMaker is the perfect starting point, simple to begin and powerful enough to grow with.